Hi friends, so I'm here for you. Today our new topic is going to be started. So our new topic is logarithms. It's of course just an introduction. We will learn about it more in the other classes. So logarithms. Now we will introduce the logarithms. Logarithms are actually the method to write the numbers, the mathematical expressions, mathematical problems in short way. Like the big numbers, we can't write 5 with 1000 zeros here on the table, but using logarithms, we can write the biggest number on the board and the smallest number as well. Okay, like the mass of electron, etc. So for that purpose we used we introduced, or the mathematicians introduced, logarithms. So logarithms actually are of the two types. One is natural logarithm, or it is also called Napier's logarithm, and the other is common logarithm, or it is also called Briggs logarithm, because it was discovered by Briggs, Henry Briggs, and this was Napier. So we have some basic rules to follow to learn. Number one, actually here in natural logarithm we write the natural logarithm like this: log of a, this one. E is the base. Okay, this is the number of which we are taking logarithm, and on the right side we will write the answer of it. And logarithm, common logarithm has base always 10. You have to keep in mind. So up to now we will discuss only this one, common logarithm, in which we have base 10 and we won't write base 10 again and again. So I'm just telling you right now, so keep in mind. Now I'm discussing 2-3 rules, basic rules of logarithms, which will be needed to us forward onwards in upper classes. So log of this one, how to solve such problems. So here n will be dragged to here and x will remain at its place. This is rule number 1. Wherever there is power over this x which comes after this log, we will drag it first in the beginning. And the second is log of x and y. If two things are multiplied, then and there is log, then we will operate them like this: log of x plus log of y. And if they are divided, x upon y, then here will be minus log of x minus log of y. Okay, you have to remember it. Now I'm erasing. Now logarithm base change rule. Okay, this is logarithm's big base change rule. If it is base a here, then base will be changed to b. If we have under consideration a and b, then we will use a and b. If we have c and d under consideration, we will use c and d. So very simple. And as numerator, and in denominator, same, base will be changed a to b, and this a will be here. This is base change rule, changing base rule. Now we should know it that log of the number to the same base is always equal to 1, and log of 1 to any base, you can write a also, log of 1 to any base, we have always 0. And if we have two logs in which logs are of this type, a is the base here and b is the number whose logarithm is being found, and its inverse, we can't say inverse, but if we say, it doesn't matter, b and a, this is always equal to. Okay, so keep these all things in mind. I will remind you all these things later also. Giving you one example, like log of 2 power 3. 3 will be dragged first in the beginning, log 2. We have base 10 here, okay? We are not writing. And log 3 into, suppose a. Then we will write log of 3 plus